Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbish rahli sadri wa yassir li amri. Wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Initiating with the name of Almighty, the greatest Allah, whose blessings, mercies, kindnesses are always needed for your and my survival. So once again, very warm welcome to all of my followers, subscribers, lovers. So once again, I'm in front of you like the past one. Today, very, very important event in my life, in the life of 25 million people here in Pakistan. Very first of all, congratulate every Pakistani this 73rd anniversary celebration of Pakistan. Guys, little message I have to give you. This is your country. This is my country. This is everybody's country. This is my Pakistan. This is your Pakistan. This is everybody's Pakistan who is living here or even who is living outside the country. So this is for everybody. So if I say something, it's not the thing that I am the person who is just guiding or who is just supervising or who is just giving you consultation to do something for this country. No, not at all. Everybody is held responsible, and I consider that everybody is willing to do something for the Pakistan, for the country, for their homeland. This is the motherland. This is the homeland. Then tell me how this comes possible that any person could be there who is not willing to do something for the betterment of Pakistan. But we have to get this idea. We have to find out the remedy. We have to find out the reason today why that even passing 73 years, which is not a smaller time, which is not a lesser time, which is big time, that you are going to complete your 100 years, and still you are having many more problems. When it came into existence, when it came into being in the leadership of Qaid, A'zam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. So why he made this much effort? And the people who were martyred, who were murdered, who gave their blood. So where that bloodshed have gone? I don't want to point out the issues what we have in our country. You know very well, I know very well, the problems, the issues. But now we have to get remedy. What I've been telling you in my different speeches, if you find out my all the speeches, there has been just one lesson. Be a nation. If you are just looking on your leaders, mean later leaders, not the beginners, who built Pakistan for you, who built homeland for you, who built motherland for you. So they were the leaders. But after that, unfortunately, we couldn't able to get the leaders who should be called leaders. So don't look on them. Don't persuade them. Don't follow them. Because if they were supposed to do something for your betterment, for the betterment of your country, so definitely this could have been done till this time. It was possible. It was possible. It could be done because it was not a lesser time. 73 years are not a small time. It's a big time. If you want to do something, anything, if you want to be perfect in your profession, if you want to be good in your business, if you want to be good in anything, whatever you are doing. So you can do a lot even in 20 to 25 years. But you have been given 73 years and still we are just weeping on the same thing. We are just discussing the same issues, the nepotism, the bribery, the corruption, the jobbery, the theft in governmental sites. Still we are just having the same agenda. What we have to do? We have to be nation. Like in my last speeches I told you that be a nation. If you think anything is going to be happening wrong in your country, so you be a nation. Protest silently. Okay, if we cannot move outside, use social media. If anybody is having theft on sugar, so you should be a nation and just protest on social media if you cannot go outside, because Islam also permits you. Islam gives you the three options. Cannot fight. Then even the last one, if just say bad that person or that thing in your heart, but never accept that. Okay, this is the lowest stage, but what we can do, because they have looted us and they have got this much mafia, they have made this much money that we cannot do anything against them. Nothing is possible. But then just one thing is possible. If anywhere, if we can have protest, we should go for. Not just always be saying, oh, what is going to happen with my country? What is going to happen with my country? What is going to happen in my country? All the corruptions, all these bad things. We are not getting progresses. Definitely we'll be getting progress when we are going to be a nation. What the Japan has done, even after having atomic war, even after, I was just reading today that this time the most honest country in the world, you know, which country is that? Japan, who has faced atomic war as well. Even then they are honest this time, honest nation. So we have to be nation. Go for the flags, go for the celebration, go for the parties, but do something for the Pakistan, for your homeland, for your motherland. Being a teacher, being a journalist, I am with you. Definitely I want to highlight all the issues which are prevailing, and as you know, I am doing. If anybody is listening me or not, but I am saying all the thing honestly. You can watch out on my channel. So on this day, I want from all of the nation, be united first of all. Be a nation first of all. Think for your motherland. Think for your Pakistan. Think for your homeland. Nobody has to come from the sky. Nobody has to come from America or from any other country to build us, to make us perfect. It is we who can make the nation, who can make the country. Thank you very much. Celebration, go for the celebration, but also do something for the Pakistan. Thank you very much. Pakistan, Zindabad.